We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Bananas are the secret to well-moisturized skin. Mash a ripe banana and apply it to dry skin, avoiding contact with your eyes. Leave on for 20 to 25 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water for instantly moisturized skin. This LOVLUV Real Milky Banana Face Mask, $11, will also leave your face hydrated.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think, without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent. Be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.